Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the never type. So today we'll be discussing about void versus undefined, right? So void represents the absence of any value, nothing but used as a function return type. Again, I'm telling void represents the absence of any value, which is basically used as a function return type. And what does undefined do then? Undefined is a value assigned to variables that are not explicitly initialized, right? So initially, let's go with the void return type in a function example. So I'll quickly come here. Let me create a function and let me name this one log message. So here I'll just set this one to void, and within this function, let me log something very quickly. So I'll just log here. This is a message. So this is relevant. You can take anything here. So this is relevant for this example. So I'll just give here, this is a message. Then quickly, let me call the function here, right? Log message is the name that I've considered here. So I have to get the output. This is a message basically. What it does here is function basically performs an action without returning a value. So here we can clearly see, right? Function has to perform an action that without returning an value here. So quickly I'll tell what I have done here. So the log message function, whatever I have written here, this function returns void. You can clearly see here, this function returns void because it does not have any return value. You can clearly see here, right? Inside the function, we do not have any return value, and the output, the console basically logs this is a message. It has to log this is a message right here. We are logging this is a message within the string. So the output that we need to get here is this is a message. Let's try to run the code. So yeah, we are getting the output, which is absolutely correct. So next, let's go with another example, nothing but undefined, right? Undefined in a variable initialization. So I'll quickly erase this one. So let me give here, let me assign this one to the undefined, right? So I'll just initialize this one with undefined Excel. So console, let me console something very quickly. Console the variable, right? X. So here, we know that here the variable explicitly initialized to undefined. So that's what we are doing here, right? And also the output that we need to get here is undefined as well. So let's try to run the code here. So we are getting the output undefined, which is absolutely correct. So what we have done here basically is we have explicitly initialized the undefined value to the variable x. We can clearly see here, and that is the reason we are getting the output undefined while we are logging x. So I hope this is completely clear. I hope the concept of undefined in the variable initialization and void return type in a function is completely clear, right? So next, let's discuss on the topic type assertions. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.